You're watching what you eat, hitting your workouts, drinking more water, and maybe even cutting out sugar. But for some reason, the results just aren't showing up. You're doing everything, right? So what's going wrong? The truth is, weight loss isn't just about willpower or working harder. It's about working smarter. And sometimes, without even realizing it, we fall into patterns that actually sabotage our own progress. In this video, we're uncovering 5 common weight loss mistakes that could be quietly holding you back, and more importantly, how to fix them starting right now. Let's be honest. One of the biggest and most frustrating mistakes is expecting fast results and giving up when they don't happen. We live in a world of quick fixes and overnight transformations, but real, lasting weight loss doesn't happen in a week. Your body needs time to adapt, adjust, and heal from years of habits. When you don't see immediate changes, it's easy to think it's not working. But the truth is, those early weeks are where the foundation is being built. Fat is being burned, muscles are getting stronger, your metabolism is shifting. But the scale might not tell that story right away. Don't quit just before the results start showing up. Another hidden trap is overeating healthy foods. Yes, you read that right. Just because something is labeled healthy doesn't mean it's calorie-free. Things like avocado, nuts, protein bars, smoothies, they're all great in moderation, but portion size still matters. It's super easy to go overboard when you think, well, it's healthy, so it's fine. But your body still processes those calories the same way. Mindful eating, even with clean foods, is key. Take the time to listen to your hunger cues, eat slowly, and stop when you're satisfied, not stuffed. Next is something that a lot of people overlook: doing the same workout over and over. Consistency is great, but your body adapts quickly. If you're doing the same type of exercise every day, whether it's just cardio, only weights, or the same exact routine, your progress can stall. Your body needs variety to keep progressing. Challenge it with new movements, switch up the intensity, try different classes or training styles. Keep your muscles guessing, and your results will keep moving forward. Now let's talk about stress. Yep, stress can actually make you hold on to weight, especially around the belly. When your body is under constant pressure, whether from work, lack of sleep, emotional strain, or even over-exercising, it pumps out cortisol, the stress hormone. High cortisol levels can increase cravings, slow your metabolism, and make fat loss feel like an uphill battle. Managing stress is just as important as managing calories. Things like deep breathing, meditation, getting enough rest, or even just stepping outside for a walk can calm your system down and help your body let go of what it's holding on to. And finally, one of the biggest roadblocks in any weight loss journey is not being consistent enough. One good day followed by 4 off days won't get you the results you're looking for. It's not about being perfect, it's about being consistent. Small daily habits, repeated over time, are what create long-term change. If you're constantly starting and stopping, your body stays in limbo. Pick a plan you can realistically stick to, give yourself some grace, and stay with it long enough to see results. Your body wants to change, it just needs a clear, steady signal from you. At the end of the day, weight loss isn't about punishment. It's about taking care of yourself. It's about giving your body the love, patience, and nourishment it deserves. The good news is that every mistake you've been making is fixable. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to be consistent, intentional, and a little bit more aware of what your body truly needs. The progress will come, and when it does, it'll feel even better knowing you earned it the right way. If this video helped you spot something you've been doing without realizing it, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more real talk and helpful health tips. And if you think someone else could use this reminder, don't forget to like and share this video with them too. You've got this, one smart step at a time. Thanks for watching, and take care of yourself.